we are drawing a cute little puppy. You heard that. So, let's get started. I will start by drawing the puppy's face. It's almost as round as a ball. Our cute little puppy's name is Oreo. Now, I will draw its eyes, its nose, its mouth. Next, let's draw 2 big ears for our puppy, one on each side of its face. It's time to draw Oreo's body. For drawing its body, we will first draw front legs and then its back legs. Now, I will draw Oreo's tail. Next, we will draw a cute scarf around the Oreo's neck. And the drawing of our puppy is complete. Now, we will draw a few hearts around the Oreo. We will highlight our drawing. Next, it's time to fill colors in our drawing. First, we will color Oreo's mouth and cheeks pink. Next, we will color its nose brown. Now, I will color the scarf around the Oreo's neck red. And now, it's time to color the face and body of Oreo light brown. Now, we will color the hearts around the puppy. Orange. Green. Blue. Pink. Yellow. Red. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.